e bentornati a Simac Tanning Tech con Visioni. Andiamo in Portogallo oggi con João Carvalho di Atlanta. João Carvalho è un outsourcer, cioè uno che cerca appunto soluzioni per produzioni per conto di grandi marchi. João Carvalho, welcome here. So tell me something about Atlanta company.
Okay, we are outsoles company, and we make all kind of outsoles for big companies in all kind of materials. We have a stand in Linhapel, and now we are in Simac to present a project that we have together with Apicaps and CTCP in Portugal to develop 2 new machines for our industry. Very interesting machines. One of them is a machine that will control the measurements of the EVA outsoles that are very, very difficult to control. And another machine that will trim the outsoles, make the trimming of the outsoles. That is a very difficult process that needs a lot of people. And you know that even in Portugal, we don't have so many people to work on the industry, and we need to search for this kind of solutions.
Usually we say that innovation is good because more innovation, less workers. And it's good because you pay less. But it's not good because you need less workers and people have to work. But this is not the only way of the innovation. What is the real importance of this innovation for materials and for performances?
Okay, I believe that on the days that we live, that relation between the more technology, less persons are not so bad, because in case we don't have so many persons to work in industry. After COVID, we believe that opened a lot of new jobs, more services that are picking up the workers that we have in the past. And because of this, we believe that these innovations will bring us the workforce that we need, together, of course, with the workers that still are on the business, that we need to teach the machines, to work with the machines, the people that have the savoir-faire, like the French guys tell, and this is important. These innovations are, of course, very important because the industry are more, the clients are more difficult. They don't buy so much. They don't buy everything. They are very focused on what they buy, what they want, or what the needs. And this is why the innovations are good in these 2 things. In the production, because we need them, and to give the service that clients want.
All right. You are working with the customers, with the big customers, so you know what they need about supply chain, about purchasing. In this moment, what are the priorities of the big customers of the tanning groups and of machineries?
What the customers'
priorities.
Priorities. I believe that priorities is finding what will be the future. That is it's very difficult. The things are changing. The people that are in home, that are the final clients, they change his way to see the world, the fashion and everything. This is the first thing. Try to find the future, but they have more careful when they buy everything, shoes, the outsoles, even the machines. Everyone are more careful, and this is our major how can I say it? Our major
Target.
question. The target is it's can make a very agile service to the client. If the client asks us a big order, we can make it. But if we have a lot of clients that have small orders, we also can make it. This is the future of all the industry, for sure, will be this agile industry.
I suppose your customers are connected, especially with footwear. If you are in Portugal, Portugal is a country for footwear production. What's the trend for footwear now?
The trend in the last years is the sneakers. Okay, it's what it is. What we are looking is the industry, mainly in Portugal. We are, and also in Italy. We are trying to move for more classic things, not classic, but some casual classic. You can use a sneaker, but you also can use a classic shoe with the jeans, with a t-shirt. You don't need to be so tight to a sneaker. Okay, we are trying, and what we see, we are make it a small change. Of course, it will need several years. The people are used to wear some very comfortable, and classic shoes can be comfortable, but not so comfortable like a sneaker. I believe that this transition are making by casual chic sneakers, and then in the next step, maybe we start with a classic casual shoe.
Thank you very much, João Carvalho. It was a pleasure for us to have here. Okay. E ci vediamo tra poco con un nuovo ospite.